Hello students, hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss the question paper of Computer Science 2026 for class 12th ISC, and in this video I will discuss only part 1, that compulsory part, only that question, that section, that part I will discuss in this video. Before starting this video, कुछ शिकायतें हैं मेरी. The Today was the paper. Today, this video I'm making on 27th March 2026. In the timing is it's 9:45 about, and today was the exam. Today was the exam at 2 to 5 p.m. And after 5 p.m. nobody told me that sir paper कैसा हुआ कैसा नहीं हुआ, anything, nothing. Only two students at OB 8 बजे के बाद they messaged me. One of the student called me कि sir answer की कब आएगा. I am waiting for your response students कि after writing the exam students will call me or students will message me that कि sir paper ऐसा हुआ, अच्छा हुआ, खराब हुआ, whatever. No response was there. So students भूल जाते हैं, ये तो मैं बोलता ही हूँ, इतनी जल्दी भूल जाते हैं, ये पच नहीं रहा. तो ये थोड़ी सी छोटी सी कंप्लेन थी मैंने जो की, बोले हम पब्लिकली की. मुझे बुरा लगा थोड़ा सा, लेकिन कोई नहीं, बात तो सच है. अब उसमें एक और चीज़ ऐड करना पड़ेगा, स्टूडेंट एग्ज़ाम देते ही भूल जाते हैं, ये ऐड करना पड़ेगा. तो विद दिस कंप्लेन नाउ आई विल नॉट वेस्ट टू मच टाइम. इतनी शिकायत थी बस. Okay, now, but still one student called me and told me this answer ki bhejiye, I am making this video, and all can go through that. Okay, so let's start without wasting your and my time. Already I wasted your time by complaining, but still, see this question paper that student has sent and that I have copied on the screen, and I'm going to explain question number 1 each and every. Okay, see, according to the principle of duality, the Boolean equation, dual, it is said to find the dual of that. To find the dual of any equation, given Boolean equation, we exchange dot to plus, plus to dot, 1 to 0, and 0 to 1. So here you can directly get the answer. Q dash dot 0, Q dash dot 0 will be Q dash plus 1. You can see only in this option C we have Q dash plus 1. So directly you can get the answer. In none of the option Q dash plus 1 we have. So answer is C. So the answer will be C. The answer of this question will be C. So you can write like this: C, then Q dash plus 1 dot P dash plus Q dash dot P dash plus Q equal to P dash. And students, so many times I told, and again I'm telling you, you're supposed to write option as well as answer also. Okay, it's a better way to write the answer of each question, objective question, MCQs. Okay, now coming to the question number 2, consider the following statement written in the class student. The school name is data member. Okay, class name is student, and this is one of the data member. School name is a data member, and it is declared as it is of string type. It is final, means it will be constant, means the value of the school name cannot be changed. Final keyword is used to define the constant, means the variable school name is a constant now, and its value will be co-ed school, and it cannot be changed. And it is a static data member. So it's a static data member is common to all the objects of that class. This is the basic concept of static. Static data members can be shared by all the objects of that particular class. Okay, so let's see the question. Which of the following statements are valid for a school name? Okay, all objects of the class student share the same value of school name. As I told, static data members are common to all the objects of the class. So this one is correct. Now, second is the value of school name cannot be changed during the program execution. It is also correct because it's a constant, as I told, because of final keyword. So 1 and 2 is correct. The keyword static and final cannot be used together for variable. This is false. This is not true. So answer will be A, 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2 are true. Okay. So 1 and 2 is the answer only. 1 and 2. 3 is wrong. Now coming to the third point. Study the given proposition and statements marked assertion region. Follow and that you will read it. P equal to you practice regularly. Q you become skilled. Here S1 equal to P implies Q, S2 equal to not P or Q. This symbol is for or, means it is equivalent to P dash plus Q. Okay. So actually P implies Q is equal to P dash plus Q. Okay, it is. So let's see the assertion. S1 and S2 are logically equivalent, correct? A conditional statement P implies Q can be expressed as not P or Q. Yes, so both are true, and assertion is the reason is the correct explanation of both assertion reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of for assertion. The option A. Here also don't write the option A only. Kindly write. It will take seconds. जितना सोचने में लगा उससे कम टाइम में लिख लोगे. बोथ assertion नहीं लिखना चाहते तो A and reason are true ऐसे कर A reason की जगह R लिख सकते हो. But write down. ठीक है. Without confusion, there will be no human error in the correction. During the correction, if you write answer, option as well as answer also. Okay. Now coming to the next question. A plus 1, this is the properties of 1. A dot 0 equal to 0. This is the property of 0. So here, law of identity. Answer B, law of identity. Okay, law of identity. Okay. Distributive law is not, it is not distributive law, it is not the law of complements. Obviously, it is law of identity. Maths का concept है. Okay, properties of 0 and properties of 1, these are the law of identity. Okay. Next is what? The worst case complexity for the following code segment is. Such very simple question this time. See here, number of steps. How many number of steps will be there? N into I. In case of nested loop, we multiply this and this. The number of steps will be here n into I. Okay, and consider each step is taking C0 time for execution. So total C and I. So in big O notation, we'll write n into I. So you can write O N I. The answer will be O N I B. Okay. Worst, and always we calculate in case of big O notation, we calculate the worst case complexity only. We cannot calculate average or best case. Okay, now coming to the next. Given below, there are two statements marked assertion and reason. Read the two statements carefully and choose the correct option. An interface in Java contains abstract and non-abstract methods. No, an interface can contain only abstract methods. Non-abstract methods are not allowed in interface. Okay, so obviously assertion is false now. Okay, assertion is false. Assertion is false. All methods in interface must be implemented by any class, and that extends this interface. Both assertions are true. Both assertion and reason are true. Assertion is true and reason is false. Both assertion and reason are false. All methods in interface must be implemented by any class that extends this interface. Here both assertion and reason are false. D is the correct answer. Okay, because assertion is false. I'm telling assertion is false. It's confirmed. An interface can have only abstract methods. Okay, and all method in interface must be implemented by any class that extends this interface. Actually, interfaces are not extended. Interfaces are implemented. Okay, so answer D is correct. Both assertion and reasons are false. Okay. Coming to the next seventh, the complement of Boolean expression A dot B dash A dash plus A dash plus B dash. You know, complement means whole dash. So whole dash will first here it will be A dash plus B. A complement of A will be A dash plus dot will be plus and B will be B. A plus A dash plus B, you can see we have only in this option B. So only this answer is correct. You can see A dash plus B किसी में नहीं और किसी में नहीं तो only option B is correct. So B is what? A dash plus B dot a plus b dash. Okay, if you can solve, but थोड़ा सा ट्रिक लगाओ. देखो ए सिंपल, अगर ऑप्शन ए डैश प्लस बी दो ऑप्शन में होता तो दोनों में से सिलेक्ट करते बस, बट एक ही ऑप्शन में है ए डैश प्लस बी, डायरेक्ट आंसर मिल सकता है, चारों ऑप्शन देखने की जरूरत नहीं. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. See, this is the assertion region again, given below. The return statement enables the exit from the program control from the program control from the current method. Correct. If a method returns is void, it can still contain return zero statement to return nothing. No, this is false. Region is false. So both assertion is true and region is false. This is the correct answer. Okay. Return 0 means you're returning an integer value. Void means nothing to return. What happens when the return type of a function is void, only control goes back to there from where it is called. Only control will be shifted from function to the function call statement. No value is returned that time. So reason is false here. Okay. Now coming to the next function. Next question, sorry. Consider two propositions given below. You are eco-friendly friends and pollution is reduced. A implies to B, then write its contrapositive statement. Okay. So A implies B is given. If A, then B. So contrapositive means it will be B dash implies A dash. And now it is said to write the statement. Okay. Not the proposition. So we have to write the statement. B dash means if B is what? Pollution is reduced. If pollution is not reduced. If pollution is not reduced, then you do not use eco-friendly methods. You do not use eco-friendly method. Eco-friendly methods. Okay. This is the statement you're supposed to write. In case of contrapositive, we interchange the antecedent and consequent, and we negate also. दोनों interchange भी करते हैं, negate भी करते हैं. Now, what is gray code in case of Carnap map? You know the code which we write, the gray map, gray code in K map is what? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is called gray code in Carnap map. Okay. I told so many times you have not taken care of it, it's okay. But it is called gray code. Okay. And gray code means alternatively each bits are changed alternatively. Gray code means in gray code each bit is alternatively changed. See here 0, 0. The first time this bit will be changed, this bit will be changed. Then next time this bit will be changed, 0 will become 1. Next time this bit will be changed, 1 will become 0. This is called gray code. So in K map, the gray code is this. This is the gray code in K map. Okay. And what is gray code? In gray code, each bit is changed alternatively. Alternatively each जो bit होता है वो change होता है. तो पहले देखो ये bit change हुआ, ये 0 से 1 हुआ. तो अगली बार ये bit change होगा, 0 से 1 होगा. अगली बार ये bit change होगा, 1 से 0 होगा. ठीक है. This is called gray code. Okay. Now convert this P slash Q. इसको कन्वर्ट करना प्रीफिक्स. ओह माय गॉड, अगेन 2023 में आया था, अभी 26 में आ गया. प्रीफिक्स में आप ध्यान नहीं दिया होगा, कई लोगों ने पोस्टिव में कन्वर्ट कर दिया होगा. इट्स ओके, बट हियर आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस. P by Q plus S into F plus X upon R. Okay, so here what can be done? First, we're supposed to solve the bracket P slash Q plus, this will be S star S F. Okay, plus here this bracket can also be solved X R slash X R. Okay, then further P slash Q plus, here only inside the bracket only one operator left now. So plus then star SF, then star XR. Okay, now bracket is solved. Now coming outside the bracket, we have only one. So we have two operators. Focus on the operators. So slash, the first slash, what will be there? Equal to slash pq. Now consider it as an operand, plus star sf slash xr. Then finally, this plus which is in between them will come before them. So plus slash pq plus star sf slash xr. This is the answer. Okay, you can pause and you can write the answer if you want. You can check your answer. I'm going to erase it to solve the next question on the same place, at the same place. Okay, so I hope the things are clear. Okay, now coming to the next question. A matrix here, this is LR, UR, LC, UC. Okay, is stored in the memory with the each element requiring 4 bytes of storage. If the address of G54 is ijth element का address given है, the address of ijth element is given here, that is 6000. Find the base address. So here we have to find the base address and the column measure by. The question is of column measure by. The address of ijth element equal to b plus, this is b plus w, I minus lr plus r j minus lc, right? So here I'm going to put the value. The address of ijth element is given, 6000 is given, already given, plus equal to b is what? Base address to find. W is 4. Okay. The value of ij, that is 5, 4. I is 5. So 5 minus lr is what? 3. Okay. Plus the number of rows. How will get the number of rows? That is r. ur minus lr plus 1. So 7 minus 3, here the number of rows, r will be what? Ur minus lr plus 1. The ur is what? 7 minus 3 plus 1. 7 minus 3 will be 4 plus 1, 5. R key value 5. Here 5. J is what? J is 4 here. Ijth element 4 minus LC is what? 2. 2. Now we'll solve it. We'll get the B plus 4. This is 2 now. And 4 minus 2, 2 into 10. It will be 2. B plus 4 into 12. 6000. So then we'll solve further. B equal to 6000 minus 48. So it will be 2, 5, 9, 5, 5952. Okay. So this is the base address. This time base address was asked. Okay. So you can go through this. You can pause it and you can watch this. For time being, I'm going to delete this. Answer will be 5952. Okay. Coming to the next question. Now here, see students, sometimes you can guess the answer. Here it seems that it is converting the number to hexadecimal number system. Okay, if you're getting this, you can do it. Or here I'm showing the working of this. See, function name is what? Work out. Int n, the value of n is given 220. Okay, then this condition is false. It will reach here. Rem equal to, the value of rem I'm writing here. Rem equal to n modulus 16. If you divide 220 by 16, let's see what is coming there. 16 1 ja, 16 6. Then 6, then 16 3 ja, 48. 16 or 16 6, then 16 3 ja, 48. The remainder will be 12. Okay, then 16 0 times. So if you divide 16, the remainder will be 12. Okay, so here rem will be what? 12. Is it greater than less? Rem is less than 10? Condition false. So it will go for this. Here you can see ternary operator. if true, this will happen. If false, this will happen. The rem is less than 10, condition false, it will reach here. And rem minus 10, rem is what? 12 minus 10 will be what? 12 minus 10 will be 2. 12 minus 10 will be 2. And plus a, the ASCII value of a is what? 65. 65 plus 2 will be what? 67. 67, and that 67 here addition will take place. Remember that this is a character and this is an integer. So here this symbol will work as a concatenation. No, it will work as an addition operator. Okay. So 2 plus 65 will be 67, and 67 is the ASCII value of C. Okay. So that will be converted, 67 will be converted into what? Char type means will finally the result of this will be C, and that C will be stored into CR. So the value of CR will be C now. Okay. Then again function will be called, and that CR here function will be called means again function will be called workout, and this time we are calling n by 16. N by 16, that is what? 13. You can see the quotient, and plus that CR. What is the value of CR? C will be joined. Okay. Function will be called again. Okay, before adjoining and returning to the function call, इससे पहले इन दोनों की वैल्यू ज्वाइन होती, ऐड होती और ज्वाइन होती और रिटर्न होती, उससे पहले फंक्शन फिर से कॉल हो गया. This time we are passing 13. The value of n will be what? 13. The value of n will be what now? 13. Okay. Now condition is false. It will reach here. 16 modulus 13 will be 0. So 16 modulus 13 will be 16. 16 modulus 13 modulus 16 will be 16. Okay, so rem will be what now? 16. Condition, this condition is false again. So here rem matlab 16 minus 10 will be 6. 6 means 6 plus, and the value of a is 65. 65 plus 6, 71, and 71 is the 71 is ASCII value of what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Just a minute. Sorry, 13. Sorry, 16 modulus. Sorry, 13 modulus 16 will be 13. Sorry, I was wrong there. 13. So C will be rem will be 13. Here, 13 modulus 16 will be 13. So rem will be what? 13. The 13 minus 10 will be 3. Sorry for the mistake. 13 will be 3. So 60 plus 65 plus C will be 68. That is the binary code of D. Okay, sorry. 65 plus 3 is the ASCII code of D, capital D. So that will be converted into char type. So we'll get the D finally. Okay, D, and that D will be, now again function will be called workout, and this time n modulus 16. The value of n is what this time? 13. The 13 modulus 13 by 16 will be 0. 13 by 16 will be 0. Okay, 13 by 16 will be what? 0. So 0 plus C. What is the value of C? Previously the value of C was C. This time the value of C is D. Okay. Now this condition is true. It will return empty string. Okay. So for this function call we are getting empty string. Now what will happen? For this function call, joining and returning was left. So empty plus D will be returned to this function call. Then D plus C will be returned to this function call. Finally it is DC. Okay, DC. So finally this function is converting the number into hexadecimal form. ये यहीं पे guess हो गया था, but still I have solved and you have to show the working also. So this is the answer, DC. So answer will be DC. Working you have to show, please remember that. But the function workout perform apart from recursion, it is converting the number into, given number into its hexadecimal equivalent. Okay. Now see this next question. This question of what? Missing term. No, in this case you must know the logic. You have to implement the logic. Okay, listen carefully. Here it is said the number is teck number or not. We have to check whether the number is teck number or not. What is the teck number? The teck number, a number is teck number if the count of digits is even. मतलब number of digits even होना चाहिए. And the square of sum of the two equal halves is equal to the number itself. Means 2025 is a 4 bits so 4 digits are there, means the number of digit is even. Okay, and 2 halves will be 20 and 25. Their sum square is equal to the number. This is the tech number. Okay, see, this is the question function, and we are going to put the logic. You can see in this line, this so the value of function, this is the function of string class. It converts any number to, sorry, any type of value into string type. So here n is 2025. Okay, the value of n is what? Consider it is 2025. So that 2025 will be converted into string. This will be what? 2025. Okay. Then, okay, len equal to this question mark 1 means here we are trying to know the number of digits. So this is one of the method you can convert the number to string and then find the length of that. Means instead of 1, you will write only this answer will be this only, no, nothing else. Only you write question mark 1 and it will be len equal to s dot length. Here we are trying to find the number of digits in the number. So s is 2025, s dot length will be 4. By this way, we'll get the length or number of digits of the number. Okay. Then here, if n len modulus 2 not equal to 0, if len modulus 2 not equal to 0 means the number of digit is not even. If this condition is true, it means the number of digit is not even. Consider if it is 5, this condition will be true. So what to return in that case? The return type of this function is Boolean. So here we need to return false. So question mark 2 will be false. Okay. Then if this condition is false, then nothing will be returned. Then control will come to this. And here we are getting the first 2 equal halves of the number. So s dot substring 0 len by 2. Len is 4. So 0 to 2 means 0 to 1. Here 0, 1, 2, 3. So by this we'll get this part. We'll get 20. That will be in string format. That parse in function converts a string to integer. So first, the value of first will be 20 in number format. Like that, here we'll get the len by 2. Len by 2 means what is len? 4. From index 4 by 2 will be 2. Means from index number 2 to last. Means 25 will get here. And that parse in function will convert this string into integer type. Second will be what? 25. Okay. So we got first. So and sum is what? First and last. Means sum is what now? 45. Now here we are going to return if what? Question mark 3 equal to n. N equal to what? Sum ka square. Here you, instead of question mark 3, what will have? You will write question mark 3 instead of question mark 3. You will write sum into sum. Sum square. We are trying to find the sum square. So sum into sum. If sum into sum, that is 45 into 45 equal to n, that is 225. The question mark 1 will be s dot length, question mark 2 will be false, and question mark 3 will be sum into sum. Okay, I hope it is clear. So as I told in this video, I will discuss only part 1, and if any doubt, you can ask through the comment section. For this video, this much only. And students, kindly, if possible, kindly reply in the comment how was the paper and was I helpful for you. Okay, kindly reply. इतनी जल्दी नहीं भूलो, please. Thank you.